Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine. As you know, we are going on with grammar. That's with the topic active passive voice in class 9th and 10th. In the first part, I gave a small introduction. Now, in the second part, we are going to start with changes in of the voice in tenses. Means along with your tenses like present tense, past tense और future tense में जब active passive change होता है तो उसके साथ हम एक एक्सरसाइज या एक एक्सप्लेनेशन भी दे दूंगी. दोनों हम स्टार्ट कर देते हैं. लाइक नाउ चेंज ऑफ वॉइस इन टेंसेस. मींस आपके टेंसेस में वॉइस की चेंजेस क्या होगी. दैट्स सिंपल टेंस, सिंपल पास्ट टेंस, सिंपल फ्यूचर एंड सो ऑन. सो द फर्स्ट वन इज सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस जो मैं अभी स्टार्ट कर रही हूँ. यहाँ पे जो फर्स्ट सेंटेंस है ही रीड्स अ नॉवेल, तो मैं जब चेंज करूँ उसे पैसिव वॉइस में तो मेरा आंसर आएगा अ नॉवेल इज रेड बाय हिम. जैसे मैंने आपको फर्स्ट वीडियो में टेबल दिया था, जो ही है वो चेंज हो जाएगा दूसरे प्रोनाउन में, दैट इज हिम. सेकंड पर्सन, सेकंड वन ओवर हियर, कृष राइट्स अ लेटर. कृष राइट्स अ लेटर. सो व्हाट विल द आंसर बी. अ लेटर is written by Krish. Why have I written by Krish? Because I already have the name Krish over here. तो मैं जब उसे आंसर में लिखूंगी तो मैं वापस उसका नाम ही यहाँ पे लिख दूंगी. So I have written a letter is written by Krish. Now the third one is a question type. Who teaches you physics? हम पूछ रहे हैं who teaches you physics. तो अगर मुझे पैसिव वॉइस में उसे लिखना है तो आई विल राइट by whom are you taught physics. By whom are you taught physics means आपको फिजिक्स कौन पढ़ा रहा है. वापस बोल रही हूँ who teaches you physics. ये क्वेश्चन फॉर्म में है, तो जब मैं आंसर भी दूँ तो भी पीछे मेरे आंसर के पीछे क्वेश्चन का होना बहुत ही जरूरी है. सो योर रिटन हु टीचर्स यू फिजिक्स. तो मुझे भी ये नहीं पता है कि आपको फिजिक्स कौन पढ़ा रहा है, तो मेरा आंसर आएगा बाय whom आर यू थॉट फिजिक्स और क्वेश्चन मार्क. ये हो गया आपका सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस. अभी वही हम करेंगे सिंपल पास्ट टेंस के साथ एंड अगेन इन द एक्टिव पैसिव वॉइस. The first one, he did not help me. So he did not help me. So when you start writing, you write with me changes to I was not helped by him. I have given you the table, so me changes to I and he will change to him. Second one, I told her a story. So मैंने एक स्टोरी उसे बोला है. So answer will be a story was told to her by me. A story was told to her by me. वापस I changes to me over here. And a story was told to her by me. Third one again is a question type. What did she buy? What is it? What did she buy? So what will your answer be? What was bought by her? Question mark. Again, what did she buy? So what was by will be bought by her, because here there is she, so I have changed it to the word her. So this is the simple formation of active passive voice. I'll repeat it again. In simple present tense, if it is he reads a novel, so a novel is read by him, means he changes to him. Krish writes a letter, so a letter is written by Krish. अगर कोई नाम दिया है तो आपको वो ही नाम लगाना है, but before that you will have to put the word by. Third one is a question type. Who teaches you physics? Question. So आपको भी पता नहीं तो आप जब पूछे तो by whom are you taught physics? Question mark. Now in the second one, simple past tense. Again active voice, passive voice did not help me. So we will change to I was not helped by him, because he changes to him. I told her a story. A story was told to her by me. Third one, again it's a question type. What did she buy? What was bought by her? And you have to put the question mark. So students, now we come up with the third tense, that's the simple future tense. In this tense, again you have the active and the passive voice. So we'll start with this. Before I start, I'll give you a reminder of what I've done yesterday. Like in the first person, your I changes to me in passive. Second person, you remains you. In the third person, he, she and it changes to him, her and it remains it. In the same way, the plural form, we changes to us, you remains you, they changes to them. So this is very important for you all to know, because अगर आपको ये पता है कि first person I, we में change होता है, second person you ही रहता है, third person he, she, it जो है वो him, her और it में change हो जाते हैं, we जो है plural form में us हो जाते हैं, you जो है वो you रहता है और they changes to them. If you know this, तो यहाँ पे आपको दिक्कत नहीं आएगी. जैसे कि यहाँ पे आप देखो the first sentence, I shall help him. यहाँ पे ये shall है, लेकिन क्योंकि I फर्स्ट पर्सन में है, तो जब मैं आंसर लिखती हूँ तब मैंने क्या लिखा है, him जो है वो है पैसिव वॉइस में थर्ड पर्सन, लेकिन जब मैं यहाँ पे लिखती हूँ तो वो थर्ड में he आ जाएगा, तो अलॉन्ग विद दैट वो क्या रहेगा, will रहेगा. will का होना बहुत ही जरूरी है जब हम सिंपल फ्यूचर टेंस की बात करते हैं. तो वहाँ पे आंसर होगा he will be helped by me. क्यों? क्योंकि your first person I will change to me in this sentence. Now in the second one, who will pay the bill? जैसे मैंने आपको अभी जस्ट एक क्वेश्चन फॉर्म में बनाया, मुझे पता नहीं है कि कौन बिल भरेगा, so your answer will be by whom will the bill be paid? Question mark. By whom will the bill be paid? Because मुझे भी नहीं पता कि बिल कौन भरेगा, so by whom will का होना जरूरी है. Will the bill be paid? Question mark. Then third one, she will write a letter. So your answer will be a letter will be written by her. So a letter will be written by her. Again I repeat this. In simple future tense में will का जो sentence में change होता है तो बहुत ही जरूरी होना. In this sentence it is I shall help him. So your answer will be he will be helped by me. So I told you your first person will change to me and him will change again to your active. So वो हो जाएगा he. Vice versa. Who will pay the bill? By whom will the bill be paid? She will write a letter. A letter will be written by her. So students, now we finished with simple present tense, simple past tense and simple future tense with active passive voice. Now we will go with simple present continuous tense and past continuous tense. We do not have future continuous tense in this. So when you change active to passive, there are two things that you have to keep in mind. आपको दो चीजें माइंड में रखना है. That continuous tense में आप जैसे मैंने आपको tense पढ़ाया, मैंने तभी भी बताया continuous है तो आपको वहाँ पे ing लिखना है. तो वैसे ही आपको sentences में ing आएगा. लेकिन जब आप उसको passive voice में change करते हो तभी वहाँ पे ing नहीं होता है. वहाँ पे आपको एक word होगा वो है being. So instead of writing ing के बदले में आपको लिखना है being. So the first sentence हम देखेंगे present continuous tense का. She is waiting for us. She is waiting for us. तो us जो है plural word है, जब वो change होता है वो हो जाता है we are being waited by her. She changes to her third person. So we are being waited by her. Then is he doing his work? There's a question mark. is he doing his work? So your answer will be, is his work being done by him? So what's your answer? Is he doing his work? So is his work being done by him? So instead of using the ing, we have used the word being and the verb that's done. Then, are the children flying kites? Are the children flying kites? There's a question mark. So what will be your answer to this sentence? Are the children flying kites? Are the kites being V3 word, V3 form of word, flown by the children? Question. So are the children flying kites? So what will be your passive voice? आपका passive voice क्या होगा? Are the kites being flown by the children? Question mark. Again I repeat the present continuous tense. First thing तो आपको मैंने पहले भी बताया ये क्लास में आगे के जब लास्ट टाइम में पढ़ा रही थी कि जब भी कंटिन्यूस वर्ड आए तो आपको पता चलना चाहिए कि आईएनजी लगता है, वो आपको याद रखना है। जब आप पैसिव वॉइस में लिखते हो तभी आईएनजी का उच्चार नहीं होके बीइंग का उच्चार सेंटेंस में होता है। तो फर्स्ट वाला इज शी वेटिंग फॉर अस, तो क्योंकि देयर इज अस ओवर तो आपको पता है कि वो किस चीज में चेंज होता है? वी, बिकॉज मोर देन वन दैट्स प्लूरल, हम एक ने एक से ज्यादा के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं। सो वी आर बीइंग वेटेड बाय हर, शी इज चेंजिंग टू हर। इन द सेकंड वन इज ही, हम पूछ रहे वो खुद, इज ही डूइंग हिज वर्क? सो माय आंसर इज हिज वर्क बीइंग डन बाय हिम? क्वेश्चन मार्क। थर्ड वन, आर द चिल्ड्रन फ्लाइंग काइट्स? सो योर आंसर विल बी are the kites being flown by the children, and I have used V3 form of verb. Then I come down to past continuous tense. This is done, present is done. Now we come to past continuous tense. So here also when I am talking about continuous, you have words with ing. But again when I am changing it into passive voice, I will be taking the word being. And we will take the V3 form of the verb. He was writing a letter. So your answer was a letter was being written by him. As you all know now, if you learn this table, you will know what has to be changed. He to him, she to her, it will be it, I will change to me, we will change to us. So these are the different things that will be changing in the sentence also. तो ऐसे sentence में भी आपके जो छोटे छोटे words है वो भी चेंज होंगे। I was not doing my work, ये आपका क्वेश्चन है। I was not doing my work, so आपका आंसर आएगा my work was not being done by me. I was not doing my work. My work was not being done by me. And question mark. Wasn't she singing a song? Wasn't she singing a song? So your answer will be wasn't a song being sung by her? I'm repeating again. This is a past continuous tense. Again I repeat, you have ing in the active, but when you change it into passive voice में आपको being word लगाना है with V3 form of verb. Here he was writing a letter, तो मैंने लिखा है a letter was being written by him. Second, I was not doing my work, so my work was not being done by me. Question mark. Third one, wasn't she singing a song? So wasn't a song being sung by her? So you will come to know that when you change it, you get the V3 form by her and a question mark. So with this, I have finished with simple past, present and future tense of active passive, and with present and past continuous tense of active passive voice. This is the second video. As you all know that in every video you have to write down whatever is given to you onto the board into your notebook. In the same way, you have to continue with this also in the same way with whatever things are being written on the board. So I finish up with the second part of active passive voice. After this, we'll have the different other parts which will be coming up, so that you all can be clear with active passive voice. If you know your tenses properly, this will help you to do the active passive voice in a much easier way. So thank you, stay safe, have a nice day.